Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing a tie front shirt, a chic shirt suitable for any occasion. Let's get started. Before we begin, gather the supplies: pattern, fabric, lining fabric, interfacing, and matching thread. Once everything's ready, let's dive into the first step. Start by cutting the fabric according to the pattern, following the lines carefully for accuracy. Trace the markings as needed and ensure that notches are clipped as indicated. Align the interfacing on the pieces, then press to fuse. Repeat the steps for the outer pieces. Starting on the outer layer, attach the front upper piece to the front lower piece by straight stitching them together. Repeat the steps on the other side. Press the joined seams flat. Straight stitch to attach the back upper piece to the back lower piece. Press the seam flat. Fold the darts on the front pieces, then straight stitch to join. Repeat for the other dart. And press the darts flat. Align the front and back outer pieces at the shoulders. Straight stitch to join the shoulder seams. Repeat for the other side. And press the seams flat. Now let's work on the inner layer. Align the lower front pieces together. Straight stitch to join and repeat for the other side. Press the joined seams. Attach the upper and lower front pieces together with a straight stitch. Press the joined seams flat. Fold the darts of the front pieces and sew with a straight stitch. Repeat for the other darts. Press the darts flat. Join the back, upper left and right pieces with a straight stitch. Press the joined seam flat. Repeat the process to join the back lower pieces together. Press the seam flat. straight stitch to pleat the lower back piece. Align the upper and lower back pieces together and sew with a straight stitch. Press the seam flat. Align the brand label on the inner back neckline and sew it in place. Join the front and back inner pieces together at the shoulder seams with a straight stitch. Repeat for the other side and press the seams flat. Using the pattern as a guide, cut fabric strips. And fold them in half, straight stitch to join. Turn the strips right side out. A loop turner can save time during this process. Attach the straps to the outer layer placket, placing 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Straight stitch to secure the straps. Align the inner and outer layers of the shirt. Begin at the left placket and sew through the back collar to the right placket. Trim at the curved sections of the back collar. Turn the piece outward and press. Using the burrito method, prepare the shirt for stitching the left armhole. Straight stitch to join the armhole and clip the curve. Turn the burrito inside out. And repeat for the other armhole. Press the armhole seams flat. Align the side seams of the inner and outer layers. Securing them with sewing pins. Straight stitch to join the sides together. Repeat for the other side. and press the seams flat. Join the edges of the inner and outer hems, leaving a 4-inch opening at the center back. Pull the shirt right side out through the opening. Use a pin to pull the corners out. Press the hem flat. And tuck the opening inward. Hand stitch to close the opening. Top stitch a 1/4 inch along both armholes, left and right. Top stitch a 1/4 inch along the edge of the placket, starting from the left, through the back collar, and finishing at the right placket. Give the shirt a final press. And that's it! A tie front shirt is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sewing projects. See you in the next video.